in that cat. Pull up in that Scat. Pull up in that cat. Pull up in that Scat. Pull up in that cat. Pull up in that cat. Pull up in that Scat.
Tap back in with another video. I appreciate y'all rocking on me for another one. Look, before we jump into this video, make sure to subscribe to the channel and smash that thumbs up button. I'm on the road to 1K right now, y'all, so every interaction helps. Today's video is about to be a quick review on my Dodge Charger Daytona 392 60,000 mile review. The warranty finally ended on the car, so my bumper to bumper warranty is over. My powertrain warranty is over. This video is just going to be going over how the car's been to me for the past 60,000 miles. Some things to look out for when you are on one of these cars. Some things to consider when purchasing one of these cars, y'all. So let's get it. I just hopped in the car. I'm about to pull up to the car wash real quick, y'all. I'm gonna get the car cleaned off. I'm consistently getting 15 miles a gallon in this car. I just passed 60,000 miles. So we about to jump into the full review, y'all. Stay tuned. This car does not have 4-cylinder mode on it. I got a 2018 Daytona 392. Non-MDS motor, I don't believe. So it might do it automatically, but I do not have 4-cylinder mode here in my pages. There's no 4-cylinder mode, nothing like that, y'all. So, you know, I'm getting 15 miles per gallon. If I get a taser, I can get more performance pages, but for now, I'm just rocking with the, I'm just rocking with these performance pages right now. I'm gonna get them pulled up. I figure I'll show these in this part of the video, why not? So, I'm just rocking with these performance pages right now. I got the dyno on there though, come on. I got pretty much everything, the dyno, the G-force, some gauges right there that show the oil temp, some timers that record all your racing timers, you know, all that. So I got some kind of performance pages on the car. I'm gonna ride with the dyno right now just to show y'all it do go up when I hit the gas. So just a quick review on the interior though of the car. I love it. I wouldn't want it no other way. You know, having this engine and having this setup in the Daytona 392, not having the eco mode on this car, it is a safer play from getting a Hemi tick. To where, of course, this car could get it, you know, stuff could happen, but 9 times out of 10, this car not gonna get the Hemi tick or suffer from the lifter failure that the other Scat Packs suffer from when it dropped down to 4-cylinder mode. So keep that in mind. I'm in the car wash right now. There's some problems that the interior does suffer from. Is that screen delamination. You can't really see it. Oh yeah, you can see it right there. So this little bubble is what I mean when I say screen delamination. If some cars get it real bad, and that's affecting all the way up until years 2023. So if you got a 2015 and 2023 with this big old UCONNECT right here, so the screen delamination is something that these cars is prone to, and that I might as well touch on right now while I'm in traffic. So if you are considering buying one of these cars, or if you do have one of these cars, expect for it to happen. It's just about how bad it might be when it does happen. You know what I mean? So you might be somebody like me who just get a little corner delaminated, or you might be somebody like I see on the forums who literally got Casper playing with the radio buttons in their car, turn the radio up, turn it down. So it could turn into a situation where you're not happy if you're spending 60, 70,000 on one of these cars and your screen start delaminating, and you might have 30, 40,000 on it, or say you got 40,000 on it and your basic warranty ended. The dealership is not gonna cover that. So keep that in mind. Now, if you go back and look at the video when I did the dashboard and all that, changing out the screen on one of these is not hard, and it's something that you can do yourself. I don't see nothing really wrong with it, and the car's not affected, the screen's not affected right now, so we all good. But I really just wanted to touch on this. Got the car out right now. 60,000 mile review on my Daytona 392. Let me know what y'all think, comment down below. Can you believe this car got 60,000 miles on it? It do tight, look brand new still. Ain't even gonna lie to you. If y'all see some imperfections on the car, don't hold it against me. I don't got the wash mitt right now, so I just washed the car at a basic touchless car wash. I got the 6-piston Brembos up front with the Brass Monkey SRT wheels on it. I done put one set of brakes on this car since owning it. The power stop pads, I still got the Brembo rotors on there. They look fine at 60,000 miles. I don't drive the car hard at all, so there's no reason for me to change the Brembo rotors. But the brake pads do need changed every like 30,000 miles, or like probably like 40 to 50,000 miles, depending on how you drive the car. It's all dependent on how you drive the car. Giving you all the quick walk around. Back wheels, I got the 4 pistons on the back. No, got the Daytona, so this is just a 60K mile review on it. Giving you all the full walk around before we jump into the stuff I have done on the car. So this car is a 2018. So one of the first mods I had to do to the whip was put the snorkels on there. Had to put the brass monkey wheels on there, y'all. Y'all see how much I spent on the wheels. I told you guys in the video I had to pay to get these wheels fixed though as well. So I did spend over $1,000 on these wheels, but they were totally worth it to me. I love these wheels, and they're probably some of the best wheels for the Charger. So that's another thing that I did do to this car. Main reason I wanted to keep this car stock was because of what it is, you guys. Let me know what you think. Comment down below if you think it was a good idea to keep this car stock. Y'all see the wheel gap between the car and the body is fine. So, you know, lowering the car wasn't something I wanted to do. It already has vinyl wrap on it. So, you know, wrapping the car is not something that I'm not against, but it's something I had to think on for a while now, for a couple years, because I like the Daytona markings on the car. They've held up fine. As you see, I live in a cool climate. Vinyl and the decals have held up fine on the car. No peeling whatsoever. So I don't see any reason to take them off, but I do want to do something to the car. A little wrap, a little something. So I am having a problem with the exhaust on this car. The active exhaust module on this car is squealing now. So for me, it didn't get bad until maybe 40, 50,000 miles. For some people, their cars is doing it way sooner than that. But what I mean when I'm saying this is all these cars is affected with the active exhaust, you know, module having a squeal in it. It's not pleasant. So that's something that y'all gonna want to look out for when you are getting one of these cars. Do something with the exhaust sooner or later, because somebody like me, I did not want to modify my car at all, but now the active exhaust is making a squealing noise, so I'm gonna have to modify the exhaust now. I have no choice whether to cut the active exhaust out or to get a bypass kit that they sell online. I'll probably just get the bypass kit. Cruise control still working fine. The only real problems I've had with this car is the ride height being so low that I unfortunately scraped underneath, because y'all see how low the car sits. So, you know, I get into situations like this where I scrape some of the paint off. I'm not happy about that. All in all, I can't complain with the Daytona, y'all. It's been a sweet car. At about 35,000 miles, I did put a water pump on this car. So at 35K, it needed a water pump. Other than that, no problems. I bought my car with 17,000 miles on it. I'm the second owner on it. And I've done nothing but the oil changes, the water pump, service the differential. With the Chargers in specific, I don't know if this is affecting the Challengers, right? But this car blew a fuse with the headlights, and I wasn't sure if I needed new headlight bulbs or what was going on. I checked the fuses and I got a response on the Charger forums. So these cars go through the headlight fuses pretty often, so keep that in mind. I mean, the headlights are sweet, but the fuses will blow on the headlight. Don't let a repair shop get over on you, anything like that. If your headlights start having problems on the Dodge Charger, first things first is to check the fuses. Man, I would love to do, you know, some crazy mods to this car. I wanted to mod the car. I wanted to put a Hellcat lower airbox on this car, but having the adaptive cruise control stopped me from doing that. But I love that adaptive cruise control. You know, it's super fun. You know, on the late night when you're driving through somewhere, in my situation, I don't want to speed. I hit that adaptive cruise control and the car drives itself. So all in all, you guys, I love this Charger. But I wanted to touch on the headlights. The fuses do blow in these headlights, and the fuse that's gonna blow is the one for the bulb right there. So just keep that in mind. Expect that to happen. Keep an extra fuse. They're still type a showroom quality car in my opinion. You know, it's not really a slider, it's not really a project car, so there's not too much I can do with it besides just enjoy it, y'all, you know. And that's what I've been doing. That's why I make these vlogs. So that's gonna be just about it for the review, the 60,000 mile review on my Daytona 392. I know a lot of y'all clicked on this video really just to see how these cars is holding up with 60,000 miles. I couldn't ask for a better car, you guys. So make sure to subscribe to the channel. I'm on the road to 1K right now, y'all, so every interaction helps. Head on over to the website, www.bakeone.shop. Follow me on Instagram, y'all. Until next time, y'all, keep on baking up, staying true. I'm out of here.
Pull a scat pack, I secure that bag on my way to the cash. I need it right.